a short video showing an example of setting New Relic Infinite Tracing. As always, for the most accurate and updated information, please refer to the documentation. We're going to take the simple example of using infinite tracing with New Relic APM agent. In this case, 100% of the spans are sent to New Relic Edge, where there is a trace observer, while the rest of the data is sent as normal. The trace observer identifies the actionable traces and sends them to New Relic. Let's switch to the New Relic UI. We have a sample application monitored where we can see the service map, the transactions, and the distributed traces. We need to create a trace observer and tell the agents to send the traces to the trace observer. We go to Applications, New Relic Edge, and create a trace observer. Give it a name, choose a region, and click Create. Don't forget to turn on the trace observer monitoring and copy the endpoint information. We can now switch to the agent side to the configuration YAML file and add the settings according to the documentation. Note the host information that we copied from the New Relic Edge. All we have to do now is save the file, restart the server, and exercise the application. We switch back to the New Relic UI and see that we have traces that are captured. Go to the Distributed Traces application and look at traces that are coming from Infinite Tracing. And we can also do the same from the APM view by clicking on Distributed Traces and looking at traces that are coming from Infinite Tracing. Note that by default we are capturing error traces, similar to the one in this example where you can jump directly to spans with errors. And there are additional algorithms that catch actionable traces. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.